Welcome back to Newton School 19 Days of Python Challenge. Today's lesson is all about writing cleaner, more compact code. We will show you how to get more done with fewer lines. Let's go.
Now, shorthand if else. So, imagine you are at a grocery store with two lines, right? There is one line here and one line there. And one line is short, but one is long, right? Now, you have to make a quick decision. What will you do? If the short line is available, you will go there and your job will be done, right? Why will you stand at the long queue, right? So, you can write the if else statement in a single line as well using the ternary operator. So, that is something called as a shorthand if else. You no need to write a lengthy code. You can do it in a single line as well. So, if you see this, let's say age is 16 and you want to do if age is greater than 18, you want to print adult, otherwise you want to print minor. So what we are doing is, this is a ternary operator. This is a ternary operator where we are using if else in a single line. So what we are saying is status is equal to adult if age is greater than equal to 18, else minor. So we are doing it into a single line and we are printing the status, right?
Less code, more clarity. That's how we do it here. Like the video if this helped you with your Python journey and subscribe to keep up with the challenge.